Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if you just connected a new sound system or a different source of sound to your Hisense TV and it doesn't seem to work even though the sound system works absolutely properly, okay? So what you need to do is you want to scroll all the way to the left with your remote control to find this settings section. And here you need to actually find the setting tab and click on that with your remote control. Okay, now what we need to do is on this left side, we're scrolling slightly down to find this sound. We click on that once, and then we have this sound section setting. And in this sound section, we need to find this audio output, okay? So not the audio output setting, but audio output. Okay, so you can see that right now it says TV speaker, which is a built-in TV speaker that is built in your Hisense TV. Okay, so now we need to click on that once. And here you will see that it gives us a couple of different options. It can be Bluetooth speaker, it can be TV speaker. And if you connected a new sound bar, for example, it will appear here just as well. And you just need to turn it on. And it will direct this sound to a new output device, which is your sound bar or whatever you're using. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.